Hey guys, Justin from Simplified Investing. I hope you guys are having a great weekend. This is our weekly watch list video highlighting a few stocks we are watching, as well as a key market breakdown. Enjoy. Okay, so getting things started, going to be starting with SPY on the daily chart. We'll go into the weekly chart. Actually, let's start on the weekly chart. Go into the VIX, then we'll break down a few individual names that we are watching this week, touch up on the NASDAQ as well. Very strong follow-through week here on the market. You can see the strength on 1030, follow through, narrow bar, and then follow through, extended bar. Nice strength here. Testing into this prior pivot area here on SPY. So very, very strong here from the weekly chart. Nice follow through, nice continuation. And also looking strong here on the daily. So we get this gap up here on 1114, pretty much 3 inside bars here. Now we're setting up for that upside move. I think we can see room up into this 453.63 retest area if we can hold over this 451.14 area. So that's going to be near that high of that Friday candle, also near that Wednesday candle for this mini cup and continuation pattern here. Higher low here on Friday from this 1117 daily. I do want to see again over this 451 area for that 453 to 454 test. Any weakness below 449.32 or that prior day low here from Friday, room down into this 446.50 area, and obviously you guys can see below that we do have that gap area down into this 441.23 area below. So noting that, keeping it on watch, very, very strong here. If we do go in even to the hourly, forming into this upside move here, consolidation, this was off of our data, consolidation base here, holding over 451.14. You can see how strong this hourly level is. I am targeting that 453.63 area above. So very, very strong, something to keep on watch this week. The VIX getting beat down as expected. Strongest area of support down here around 13. So if we see any selling pressure, watching this area for an intraday bounce, you can see the market pull back. You can see we held once, twice. You can see how many times we've held this, 5, 6 times. Failed breakdown, bear trap, nice continuation to the upside. Now we're pushing down below that. So when we go into this 13 area, next level below from into 1138, which is going to be from, I believe it was the 5-year chart. It was. So you can see support, support, support. Nice push up. Now we're testing down below. Continued lower highs here on the VIX. So 13 and then that 1138 area below. Now when we go into the NASDAQ, super, super strong move here. Testing this prior pivot, 16,059 being that key. Above that, I do think we can test up into those 52-week highs around that 16,767.50 area. Now for a few individual names. Let's go into the first one here. Palantir, super strong, holding over this prior pivot. Nice pullback into support or that retest area. Weekly follow through here. When we go into that daily chart, nice strength, nice breakout, push up, flag, multiple inside bars on lower volume, and then that push higher. So let's go out here into, let's do the 3-year chart here. So very, very strong. As for if we hold over this prior pivot around 2025, I do think we have room up into, say, a minimum like this 23 to 24 area. And then you can see all of this digestion we have from basically down here in 23 area all the way up here into that 27 area. So it wouldn't surprise me to see a bunch of rejections in that area, but I do think we can at least test up into that 23, 24 area on strength continuation here on Palantir. Nice follow through. Nice continuation, and I am going to be watching it over this prior high around 2024, target into that 23 to 24 area. Could see some short-term intraday resistance around 21.25. Will keep that area on watch, but if truly strong, this breakout will hold or retest this prior pivot high here and then continue that move higher or that push higher. Target, I really like this setup here if we can confirm. That's the biggest thing. I want to see us hold this prior day close here into this 129.90, 130 psych region. Reclaim over prior day high here. I do think we can test up at least into 132.44 and then up into this other part of this channel around 135. So 135 being the macro target here. A nice double inside bar here. So inside, inside for that continuation move to the upside, targeting over that prior day close and then that Friday high for that move to the upside. Let's do one or two more here. INTC, super strong move, even if we go to the daily chart. 52-week highs, nice breakout, nice follow through, volume push, and highs continuing here right into the close here on Friday. When we go into the weekly chart, the next area I think we test is into 45, being a whole cycle liquidity area. Bounce, 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 reject, sell off. Higher low structure here, right into that level. I will watch this in that 43.80 pullback, which is going to be that close here from that move, 43.81 to be exact, from that move here on Friday. Watching that pullback to take long on any strength up into that 45 area overhead. Another name, CrowdStrike. We get that move lower. We get that hold on that pullback here on this daily chart on 11/17. I do think we test up into 210.52. Could see that pre-earnings run up here. You can see a nice secular and uptrending strength, higher highs, higher lows, continuation move. Holds this close here, or this candle high on Friday around 217 or 207.50. Watching that move up into 210.50. If we go out into that weekly chart here, let's go to the weekly chart. Targeting then that move overhead into like this 216, 217 area. But you can see how strong of a level this is. Multiple weekly rejections here, almost to the dot at 210.50. Come back, try to hold support, fail, downside move here. So super, super important level at that 210.50 area. I am going to be watching or looking to take it up into that 210.52 area. We had a pre-market move on Wednesday that failed this level. I do think it's a natural area of liquidity to test to the upside. That being said, that wraps up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It would be greatly appreciated. If you are interested in learning, we did just drop a new course. We would love to train you guys, teach you guys with live examples, course principles, strategies, and things like such. Check out our website for more. Enjoy.